Welcome to my channel, guys. It's SG Ultima. I'll do a short MySQL video for you guys. So due to some demand, so I'm gonna show you the console base here and the MySQL workbench. So make sure you remember your password when you go there regarding the root password or a special account one. So I'll just use the root account. It's easier to operate in. Okay, so I had work on the database before I make this video, so there'll be some information back there. So I'm going to teach you the basics. So I'll make sure I do a short. I previously did a very long one. Yeah, because it's like take so much time. I don't think anyone will be watching that. So that's the searching. That actually you need command that to work. Okay, so first of all, you need to access the database that you want to go to. So in MySQL, what is the difference between a database and a table? Okay, the simple logic is that a table, I mean the database, can have many tables, which is like a room can have many tables, but a table cannot have many rooms. Yeah, that's a simple layman term logic. So I have one friend, she got outcast and hated by her group members because she failed to understand the difference between database and tables. It's very easy to say, hey, I'll create a lot of database for this. That's the wrong thing. You should say, I want to create a lot of table in the database. That's more correct terms to say. So let's start with the first most basic one. We use the database you want to use. So this instance Sakila. So if you type like that, oh, it actually works, eh? Use Sak. Oh, it should work here. It doesn't work in the main console. Let's see, yeah. Use Sakila. It's gonna show up error, which I had just now. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. I just like create a testing case, but it's safer to put a semicolon because you want it to end here and a new line to go inside there. Okay. I don't know about this dot. It keeps showing this dot. It's freaking annoying. Okay, even though it's a correct command. Yeah. Okay. So first thing I think your tutor will be teaching you on is to how to select from MySQL. Select from. Now I make a mistake just now. Is select star from actor. What is star? Star means show everything from the table. Okay, everything like this. First name, last update, actor ID. Like for example, you are working in a customer service. You don't want people to know your, let's say, examination hall. You have your matrix number. You don't want your professor to know your names because it's confidential. So what you're gonna show is like select ID from actor. Okay, it's gonna show. Okay, select ID from. Is it ID? It says unknown. Actor ID. I see. It's called actor ID. My mistake. Actor ID from actor. So you can show all the IDs from the actor. 200 plus. Yeah. Okay. So order by. Okay. So let's say you want your names. So let's say from temple. I saw one with temple. Select select star from actor where what's the thing? Last name equals to temple. Okay, case sensitive. Yeah. So you have this bunch of people there, and you realize they are not sorted in order. They are sorted by the actor ID. So I'm actually also learning at the same time. I'm also teaching you guys. So yeah. So if you want to sort by, okay guys, so if you want to sort your information in ascending order, it's okay, no issue. So yeah, sort by a lot of things. By name is the first priority, and then followed by salary and so on. And if you want to do a special one, it's by descending order, descending. Just put on it descending. Okay. So select star from maybe on okay, select from actor where last name equals to tempo order by what should I say, order by first name. Yeah, first name. Okay, that's a very good command, order by first name. So you can see sorted by that. Okay, so in this is very little examples to do. So if you want to do more, select star from actor order by first name, then not then, okay, order by first name, comma, last name. So this will assure that they sorted by first name first and then followed by last name. So you see, so you're able to see that Adam, and this is sorted in order. Yeah, see, it's all in order. So if you don't do the last name, maybe it will pop up the 125 first, which is default user ID. Yeah. So these are the basics for you guys. So I'll watch my video for more advanced tutorial. So the next tutorial I'll be doing on GUI. So this console one is very different. Okay, I think it's more like when people use that. I'm not sure, but I prefer the GUI version. You're able to see the information straight away, where you can go and edit this. Just right, put nick one. Yeah, changes, apply it. They teach you all the code. You don't need to key in all queries by yourself. Just update, apply it. Boom, you got it. It's changed. Select start again. It's changed. Yep, it's changed. It's changed. Apply, and it's changed. Okay, but there's a side effect. I mean, there's a downside of doing such things because you don't know how to do a query when your application needs query. You need to key in all this information, your Java application, your C#, whatever your application that access the database, you need to know the query unless you're using no query database, which I have not get myself exposed to it yet. So, but yeah, I'm doing this for my YouTube friends who have some needs in learning to do some MySQL tutorial. So I'm doing this tutorial to assist them with this. So there's a lot of more things. Wildcard is random, and a lot of things you need to learn from database. And if there's also the where, the and clause, yeah, the and operator, where and okay, and means if you study the logic gates, you should know that where uh, my name is Tempo, and maybe there's a where the name is Ramesh, Okay, let's assume there's a lot of rubbish here, not rubbish, Ramesh here, and then the salary just key in where name is Ramesh and salary is 2K. So there could be a few special cases of the same information. That's where you use the and, or means it can be Ramesh or Mufi. So you're gonna pop out the name with Ramesh and Mufi. Yeah, simple things. Okay, hope you enjoy this series of my tutorials. So there, here are from tutorial point and W3 school, where there's a bunch of queries, and W3 school have their own database queries. Don't need any complicated installation, but you need this database to do your own your own Java application with your own database. So yeah, hope you enjoy and subscribe to me if you find this video is useful and you want to watch more of my videos. Yeah, subscribe. I mean, it's easy for you to watch my video. Just go to subscription and then just scroll down, and then sometimes you'll see my updates. Yeah, I'll update once every few days, so to make you guys keep you guys with updated information, new videos, game videos, sometimes life hacks and so on. So hope you enjoy this and see you the next time. Bye.